10 single crochet. I started with the first one here, so I'm going to replace the stitch marker after the first stitch. So this is my first stitch, so I'll do 9 more of single crochet continuously. After that I'll do 1 increase, 4 single crochet, and then 1 increase, 4 single crochet, 1 increase and 4 single crochet. That is mean 3 times I'm going to repeat this. After completing this set for 3 times, I'll do 1 increase. That means I'll be ending this set with a 4 single crochet, like 4 single crochet next to next to next, and then I'll do 1 increase, and after that I'll do 10 single crochet continuously. That will end our 7th line, 7th row. So starting with 10 single crochet and ending with 10 single crochet. Let's see how it is done. So I started 1, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to start the sets. So it will be like increase. Increase means 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So one times I did increase, and then for 4 stitches, on the next 4 stitches I'll do 1 single crochet each. 2, 3, 4. So on the next 4 stitches I did 1 single crochet each, and then for the set 2, now I'm going to do increase. That means 2 single crochet on 1 stitch, and again 4 single crochet on 4 stitches, like 1 on each. 2, 3 and 4. I hope you can see it now clearly. And then for the third set, again do an increase, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Continue that with 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, like 1 single crochet on each stitch. So with this we are completing 3 sets of increase and 4 single crochet. So then we are going to do 1 increase. On the next stitch we did 1 increase, and now we are going to end this circle with 10 single crochet. So there are 10 stitches, and with 10 single crochet we are going to end it continuously. 10 single crochets on the next 10 stitches. Each stitch will be having 1 single crochet. So this is the last stitch of the row 7. Now I have reached my stitch marker. I'll remove it to begin the row 8. So make 1 single crochet, replace the stitch marker, and now I'll tell you how to read the next row. So the same way, for the row 8, start with 10 single crochet and then do increase, and for the next 5 stitches we'll have 1 single crochet each. So like the same way, repeat it for 3 times. So you will end this pattern with 5 single crochet at the end. After that, do 1 increase on the next stitch, and then you will end the circle with 11 single crochets, like 1 single crochet on each stitch. The same way for the 9th row. So from row 1 to 9 will give you the smallest size of petal for this rows. So make 3 petals until the row 9, and then for the next size from row 1 to 10 make 3 petals. That will give you 6 petals in total. Then we will see the arrangement.